Hey guys, hope you're doing fine. I know you've been waiting for my new video on home automation, but your wait is over because I came back with a new and fantastic video on the topic of home automation. You may have heard about Alexa. It's a new and fascinating smart technology that is being used to automate your home. By using Alexa, you can easily control your entire home at your fingertips. In this video, I will tell you 20 home automation ideas that are supported with Alexa, and it will make your home ready for the 21st century. Let's get started. Number 20. Send a hug to your loved ones. At number 20, all of us love many people in our lives, but sometimes we're too far to do a magic hug. If you're missing your loved ones, then just say, "Alexa, send a hug," and a virtual hug will be sent to one of your Alexa contacts. So if you're missing someone like me, then use Alexa and send your magic hug to your loved ones. At number 19, you can make your kitchen smart by using Alexa. Yes, you heard me right. By installing Brava Oven in your smart kitchen, you can cook things in 10 different ways. Additionally, by using its built-in cameras, you can even check your food on your smartphone. So this is a cool oven that can make your home ready for the 21st century. At number 18, you can play your favorite music album or single with Alexa. Just simply say, "Alexa, kindly play I'm So Lonely," and this song will be played on an Alexa-supported speaker. So if you're a music lover like me, then use this feature and entertain yourself at home. 17. Robot vacuums in Alexa. If you're really curious about cleaning your home and want to make it automatic, then this device is for you. Yes, you can clean your house by setting up a daily routine with Alexa and iRobot Roomba. By this, your Alexa app will turn on the robot vacuum on a specified time, and it will clean your entire house in a few minutes. At number 16, we have another great feature of Alexa to secure your home. Just install the smart lock with your doors and all is done. You can say to Alexa, "Close my doors," and it will close your doors instantly with a push notification on your mobile. However, you can also set a daily routine on your Alexa app for closing the doors, and it will be done automatically. At number 15, we have the lighting feature of Alexa. If you love the lights with different colors and want to turn them off and on automatically, then this feature is definitely for you. Just install Alexa-supported Philips bulbs and your dream will come true, and you can control all your lighting at home with just your voice. Coming in at 14, we have Amazon Fire TV Stick. You can play your favorite dramas, movies, and videos with an Alexa-supported TV device. Just say, "Alexa, play The Office on Netflix," and it will start on your TV automatically. 13. Tempo Studio for lifters. Coming in at 13, if you're trying to become a weightlifter, then this is a cool Alexa-supported studio that will train you from beginner level to advanced. Just set up this Tempo Studio in your home and connect it with Alexa. It is one of the advanced training machines that trains you step by step and easily tracks your activity. Number 12. Smart Bed 360. The Smart Bed is a bed incorporated with smart features like biometric sensors and Alexa. It gives you real comfort at night. Due to Alexa-supported features, you can easily track your daily sleeping routines and health metrics on your smartphone. It is costly, but if you can afford it, then it will definitely change your sleep into magic. At number 11, we've got announcements for school timing. You can adjust the timing on Alexa for your school-going children. By just adjusting the time on Alexa, you can make announcements at home through supported speakers when it's school time. This feature will make your home smart and solve your worries instantly. At number 10, you can even maintain your lawn with Alexa. Yes, it's true. Just buy an M20 cordless lawnmower and connect it with your Alexa and set up your maintenance routine. All is done. Your mower will cut the grass as per your set routine and notify you through Alexa about all of its activities. At number 9, you can add your morning routine in your Alexa and see all the stuff that you like the most in the morning. Whether it's the song, video, chanting, or news, all the stuff will be played on Alexa-supported devices automatically. At number 8, it is true while leaving the home, we often forget to get the important stuff with us. However, if you have an installed motion sensor in your garage or front door with activated reminders, then it'll send you a notification on Alexa to take your important stuff with you, like keys, laptop, or your wallet, etc. So, if you're a busy person or have a short memory, then this feature could help you a lot. Number 7. Check up on elders. Elders are often too vulnerable in your home. You must keep an eye on them to save them from any dangerous events, especially at night when they wake up or try to get something in their room. So installing a motion sensor compatible with Alexa near their bed will notify you about their activities on your cell phone. And if something bad happens, you can easily approach them and could save them from any dangerous thing like falling down the stairs, electric shock, or any medical emergency. At number 6, we found out that we misplaced our smartphone at home. But now with Alexa, you can find your phone if it's not on mute. So if you misplace your mobile at home, just ask, "Alexa, where's my phone?" and it should start ringing. At number 5, you can track your parcels through Alexa and ask Alexa, "Where's my parcel?" and it will show you where it is. However, this feature will only work on Amazon.com, so this is a good feature to track your delivery items at your fingertips if you order from Amazon. Number 4, Garage Control by Alexa. If you feel uncomfortable while opening your garage every time, then this feature is for you. Just install Alexa-supported motion sensors in your garage and ask Alexa to open or close my garage. Then it will be done without any effort on your part. At number 3, we have Secure Your Front Door. We see some awkward activities on our doorstep, and we just don't know how to handle them. Alexa provides you this feature to see all of the activities that happen outside your door. Just install an Alexa-supported motion sensor at your front door and get all the notifications related to front door activities at your fingertips. Number 2, Alexa Guard. At number 2, we have Alexa as your security guard. Yes, it is true. You can turn your Alexa device into your home security device. By just installing a multi-purpose motion sensor in your home, you can keep an eye on each and every activity inside and outside your home. You can even get instant updates about any activity that is going on around your home. Additionally, if someone is trying to intrude into your home, you will get smart alerts over your smartphone. By this way, either you're at home or away, you can easily guard your home through Alexa Guard. Lastly, at number 1, we have Climate Comfort with Alexa. You can adjust your entire home's temperature with an Alexa-supported thermostat like the Ecobee 4. It will not only control the temperature of your room, but it can adjust the individual temperature of different rooms. So if you want to control your home's temperature, then this is the perfect device to pair with Alexa. Finally, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video on smart ideas. Tell us which was your favorite part in the video and which feature or device you would like to install in your home to make it smart. I will come again with more fascinating and awesome stuff in our upcoming videos, so stay tuned and keep watching our channel. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon to get some instant notifications anytime we post. I really hope you like our next one on another topic of home automation and smart ideas. Hang on and keep watching to make your life smarter. Thanks for stopping by, guys, and I hope to see you again next time.